Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and today I really hope you like potatoes because I've been doing this crazy potato diet. It's called a Mary's Mini. I'll put a link down in the description below that describes the whole thing if you want to check it out yourself. But I'm eating nothing but potatoes, so I made this potato soup with some green chilies, and it is amazing. So you start off with what they call a mirepoix, which is just celery, carrots, and onion. We're going to dice that all up. We got our 4 russet potatoes, and this is a bag of Hatch green chili. You can use the canned stuff from the grocery store too. If you're using fresh, you want about 5 or 6 of those chilies. If you're using canned, get at least an 8-ounce can, if not 2 of them, and just go from there and see what you like. So we're going to dice all of our veggies up nice and small, and add those to our pan. Give it a quick stir. No oil, remember. So we're just going to add a little splash of veggie broth to keep it from sticking. Like that. And once it's softened, we're going to add our garlic. And that's a bench scraper. That's what that thing's called. Very handy if you don't have one. And we're going to give all that a stir. Now that's a green chili. That's a fresh one. When you roast them, they look like that. And to clean those, you just cut off the head, slice it open, take out the seeds, and chop it up. Again, you can use canned green chili from the grocery store. It would work just fine. These from Hatch, New Mexico have so much more flavor though. And they're in season now. So if you can find them, I recommend these. We're going to add our green chilies to our veggies. Wash your hands. That green chili oil will burn your eyes. Trust me. Okay. Give that a stir. And then we're going to peel and dice our potatoes and dump those in just like that. This is probably one of the simplest recipes I've made, and it tasted so good. Something a little bit different than just eating raw potatoes or cooked potatoes every day. So we're going to add our veggie broth, a couple cups, and it's low sodium. 1 and 2. And then we're also going to add a couple cups of water. And that's basically our soup. Why would anybody do a potato diet for 10 days? That's what it is, 10 days. Let's just say I've done it 5 days now and I've lost 5 pounds. So if you're looking to lose a little weight, might want to check it out. We're going to add a little bit of chili powder, because this is a little southwestern flavored soup. A little bit of cumin. Stir that in. Good helping of kosher salt. And a little black pepper. And we're done. I mean, it's that simple to make this soup. Simple ingredients, mostly potatoes. Give that a stir. Now to thicken it up, we're going to put just a little bit, like a third of the way up your blender, in your blender. You don't want to fill up your blender too full. Remember, this is very hot soup. It's pressurized. It can explode and it would be a really bad thing. You don't want that. So keep it just a couple ladles, 2 or 3 ladles full. Puree it till it's nice and smooth. Pour that back into your soup and it'll be thick and creamy as anything. Look at that. And there we go, potato soup. Again, it tasted amazing. Even if you're not doing the Mary's Mini diet, I hope you like it. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I will put the recipe and all the instructions and ingredients in the link below, along with the description of the Mary's Mini diet we're on, if you'd like to try it. And until next week, we'll do this again. So keep on cooking, and thanks for watching.